Hi guys, welcome to Get Curried. This is your Punjabi chef Prateek Dhawan. Not just any Dhawan, today I am Dhawan, who's going to prepare a delicious mutton recipe called Green Chilli Mutton Korma. So let's start cooking. So to begin with, first I'll take a pan, heat it up. Now add 2 tablespoons oil. The oil is hot. To that I'm going to add coriander seeds and cook till the color changes and the aroma is released. The color has changed. Now I'm going to switch off the gas. Transfer the coriander into a jar. To this I'm going to add desiccated coconut, close it with the lid and grind it into a nice paste. Our coriander paste is ready. Let's move on to green chili paste. For that, first I'm going to again take oil. As the oil is hot, I'll put the green chilies for frying. Fry them till 1 minute and then I'll remove it. After frying chili for 1 minute, I will pass it into a grinding jar. To that, I'm going to add roughly cut onion, clove of garlic, 5, sliced ginger, fennel seeds, and peppercorn, and last cloves. And now I'll grind it into a nice fine paste and we'll start making the mutton korma. Our green chili paste is also ready. Let's start preparing our korma. For that I'm going to switch on the gas, add ghee and wait for it to heat up. To that I'm going to add chopped onion and cook till the onion is translucent in color. As the color of the onion starts to change, to that I'm going to add the green chili paste. Cook it for a minute. And after cooking the green chili paste for a minute, I'm going to add tomato and cook till they are soft and mushy. The tomatoes have gone soft, so now to that I'm going to add the coriander paste and cook it for at least 1 to 2 minutes. After cooking the coriander paste for 2 minutes, now I'm going to add the mutton. And with mutton, I'm going to add turmeric powder, salt, and kasuri methi. Now saute for a few minutes till the mutton starts browning. Cook the mutton on low flame for at least 5 to 6 minutes till the color changes to brown, and then we'll add water and cover the mutton and cook for at least 30 minutes. I'm going to add sliced chili, fresh coriander leaves. Now I'm going to finish it with some cream. And there you go guys, our green chili mutton korma is now ready. You also do try the recipe and do let me know how it turned out. But before you leave, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Get Curried. Goodbye.